Hi, I'm Rory Eden with Steam Writing Institute. I'm mechanical staff here. I was hired early in 2025 and have learned a lot and grown a lot with these cars. This car is 5447. It is an ex-CN or Canadian National and via railcar. Throughout the last couple of years, this car has seen a lot of updates. Everything from about window height down in this car has been renewed in one form or another. That includes new wallpaper on both ends of the car, in the bathrooms, a little bit of plumbing work, some HVAC work here and there, and a whole bunch of cosmetic and functional things, such as new upholstery, all the seats. The seat frames themselves were all removed, sandblasted, and powder coated, so they have this nice, hard, durable black coating on them to last us for a long time. The walls of the cars, of this car, have new carpet from that window trim level down. The floors have been completely redone with new carpet and a new rubber runner. This particular car was an extra long project because it got an extra thorough examination and restoration. I think the restoration of this car started in 2021, I want to say. And that started largely on the exterior of the car. This car has new steel from window height down on the outside, and of course all new paint.
Okay. What were some of the challenges of restoring this car, the work that you did?
As with a lot of historic equipment, it's finding the parts that we need or finding parts that will work. Most of the equipment in these cars is obsolete in one form or another, and so we either have to make new parts or find parts that will work in their place. These window shades don't exist anymore. The only way that we could renew them was to take the original hardware from them and add new fabric that is in better condition and works well for our purpose.
And now this car was part of a little bit bigger project. There was more than one car that was worked on and restored a little bit, right? So tell us a little bit about the other cars.
That is correct. I believe every single one of our cars that is in our standard North Pole Express fleet got work in one form or another. 5 of them received fresh paint this year with a little bit of body work. 3 or 4 of them received some amount of reupholstering, whether it was the entire seat or just new seat bottoms, just to renew what needed to be done.
Any particular challenges or really fun parts of doing these cars? Or?
Well, like I said, they're old, so there's a lot of equipment that is rusted in place or damaged in place. So getting stuff out is the first challenge, and then ensuring that the material that you're attaching equipment to is also in good enough condition to be secure can be a challenge. If, for example, some wood is rotted out, you may have to replace that to secure a seat to the floor. This year, it's all little cosmetic things, making sure that our vestibules where you board the car look nice, finishing up upholstery that didn't get done last year, just trying to make sure that our cars are looking their best for this year.
Well, great. Well, thanks for that update, Rory. We appreciate it.